Hello everyone and welcome to my Film It Friday from Walmart. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then please keep watching. So everybody, I just thought I would do my Film It Friday from Walmart. So if you are in the UK, Walmart is like Asda. So I'm on holiday in Florida at the moment. Yes, this is their fabric section. And there's even more fabric and even more fabric. It is mental. So I just thought I would show you how crazy it is. I'm not sure if this is a super Walmart. I think this is just a normal Walmart. But anyway, yeah, so I shall show you around the fabric and yarn section. I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, so this is like Asda, there is tons and tons of fabric. There is also tons of yarn, but I love, look at these little bumblebees. They're so cute. This is like flannel. So Amy, if you're watching and you see any that you like, because I know you wanted to make some pajamas, let me know and I'll get you a couple of meters or yards. They've got plain. These are cute. And these, basically, Alexandra wants everything. This is a bit creepy. I quite like this though, in like a kitschy sort of vintage way. This is lovely. I might get some of this to make a throw. How much is this? Oh my god, it's $4.84 a yard. That is like so cheap. And Walmart is the gift that keeps on giving. With fabric, and they also have a whole section of fat quarters, and even more fabric. So I'm gonna check out, oh my word, these are so pretty. Look at these. Oh, I want it all. Why can't we have shops like this in the UK? I love this. Cotton, cherry. And there's some beautiful ones down here, like this. Because I'm into vintage, so my poor suitcase is going to be overloaded with fabric. So I'm going to go and check out the yarn aisle now. But before I check out the yarn aisle, I have to show you this. I might have to get some of this as well, because this is proper like lovely kitschy vintage. And they also have lots of pre-cut 1 yard. I think a yard is more or less a meter. Oh, they got a Harry Potter one. Oh god, I'm just dropping stuff everywhere. Let's have a look. $5. So if Amy, because I know you want a Harry Potter, let me know and I shall pick you some up. And they've got a Disney one. It's also, oh, Peppa Pig. So I'm gonna check out the yarn aisle. So this is not the yarn aisle, this is like the haberdashery aisle. And it is mental. Buttons, buttons, buttons. And they also have sewing machines. All the thread and bias you could ever want in your life, plus zips. And this is just in a supermarket. It's a bit crazy. And then they got like super cute little embellishments. And ribbons galore. So I will walk around to that yarn aisle now. So this is one of the yarn aisles. They also have tons of embroidery for Gail, if you're watching, Gail. I know you love a bit of embroidery. And they have yarn. Tons and tons and tons of yarn and stickers. So I don't know what to get. This is nice, and it's, oh sorry, I'm not even like showing you. It's just really overwhelming because I'm not used to so much yarn. It is amazing. I really like this, so I might be getting some of these because I think that would make a really nice jumper. There's just too much. And then they also have the cottons down here. Like, this is really cheap. This is at home, this is like a £5 a ball. And they've got the mandalas, and then the peaches and cream, and the cones, and crochet hooks, and these ones. So I'm gonna go and pick some yarn, and I will be back when I've picked what I want, because I'm a bit overwhelmed. Bex, I've just picked up what I need for your blanket. Look, £2.94. They're so expensive back home. Hello everybody, I am back and I am shattered. So I went to Walmart, I bought some yarn, then we went to Epcot, and it was absolutely boiling. So if you've ever been to Epcot, like when you go in, like under Spaceship Earth, so the big thing that looks like a golf ball is Spaceship Earth, and like most of the, like nearly all the rides of Epcot are there, and then you can walk around like this massive lake, and it's all like different countries like Japan, China, UK, blah blah blah. Oh, it was absolutely bloody boiling when we went. Luckily, I'm a factor 50 kind of girl. So we did that. We walked around, International Showcase, I think it's called. So we did that. Then we went on, what did we go on? Oh, Soarin'. We had a fast pass for Frozen anyway. We went on Soarin', and we went on Test Track, and then we went on Spaceship Earth, because Spaceship Earth is going, I think. I think it's shut in for a couple of years. Where they refurb it, and then we were just so tired because we did Animal Kingdom yesterday. We came back, I got in the pool for a little bit, and then I was like, I need to go to Joann's. So the rest of my Film It Friday is just going to be a bit of a haul of Joann's, but I just need to show you this bed, okay, in our room. So I am not quite 5 foot tall. I don't know if you can see, but the bed is like here, and it's massive. It's got like 2 mattresses and a base. So if I flip the camera around, I will show you how high this bed is. It's mad. So as you can see, this bed is massive, and I literally have to climb up to get into the damn thing. It's pretty hilarious. The first night I put like loads of cushions down here because I thought if I fall out the bed I'm actually going to die. But anyway, let me get on with showing you. Let me just climb up. Showing you what I have done crochet wise. So this is my whip. I haven't really done a lot of it because obviously I've been out doing Disney things. And then I'll show you what I've bought. It's all in these 2 bags. Let me just pause the video and I'll get it out. It'd be easier. So I got these in Walmart because they were cheaper. So this is some Lion brand, and this colour is just beautiful. So I got 4 of these. It's quite chunky. It is, yep, 6 super bulky. But I go by hook size because I don't understand the super bulky, etc, etc, US sizings. So it's a 9mm crochet hook. So I thought that would make a lovely jumper. Once I've done this, I'm going to do one out of this. And then I bought a heather and a white to finish Beck's blanket off. Hello Bex, if you're watching. Oh sorry, I got 5 of those. And then I went to Joann's just now and I got 2 of these Super Savers and I got 4 of these. Oh my word, these are on offer and they are amazing. They're the Red Heart Hygge and they are so soft. And I also bought, whatever I've done with it, oh it's over there, like a dressmaking ruler. Let me see if I can find it. So I also got this Fiskars. So this was $20, but it was half price. And I also had a coupon for 20% off. So this was $8, which is crazy because these are really expensive back home. And I'm proper getting into the couponing mode, I'm telling you, honestly. So that is my yarn. Oh no, I have got another one, haven't I? I got some Karen £1. Hang on a sec, I'm so unorganised. I also went to Hobby Lobby the other day. And I don't know what that is. And I got, this was half price. It's a patch and it is beautiful. This is right up my street. I got these for Lisa Marie. These were 50% off. I got 4 of these. I think I'm going to go back and get some more. I'm going to make a nice jumper for my mum. I got these. These were 50% off as well. They're so cute. Their stuff is so lush. And a £1. Karen £1 because I'm going to make Megan a jumper. It's like this lush mustard colour. So far, that is my haul. Yeah. So I'm absolutely loving it. The weather is beautiful. Some days it's a bit cloudy, but actually it's quite nice when it's cloudy because it's so blinking warm. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Typhoon Lagoon, and I might head into Disney Springs afterwards. But yeah, I've done so much walking, my poor feet are killing me. So that is my Film It Friday from the Sunshine State of Florida. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I might do a midweek video. I'm going to try and do a live actually one more on Tuesday. So we're 5 hours behind the UK, so I'll put a post up, I'll sort it out, I'll see what I'm doing because we've got to go to Universal next week as well. So yeah, have a lovely weekend and I shall speak to you all soon. Happy crocheting, bye.